Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a brand new episode of the Testing Your Strategy series, a series where I show and test different trading strategies suggested by you. In today's video, the strategy suggested is based on the Williams Alligator Indicator. Throughout this video, I will showcase the indicators and settings from this strategy, I will define all the rules for entries, exits and risk management, and after that I will perform a backtest on more than 1000 trades so you can discover all the real and proven results of this strategy. And before we jump into this popular strategy, I just want to give a quick shout out to our subscriber Matthew Anderson for suggesting this strategy. Thank you for supporting the channel and congratulations Matthew, you are winning a month of free access to my Patreon Tier 1, which will allow you to pick for free a trading bot from this list that you can find in my Patreon or in the video description. Tag me on Discord to claim your prize. If any of you are wondering how to grab this opportunity for yourself, it is quite simple. You just have to share with me a strategy that you would like to see tested on my channel, and if I pick it up and use it to create a video like this one, you will have your free access to one of my strategies. You can do that in the comments down below or in the video ideas channel for my free Discord community, so don't miss out. As usual, this strategy will be analyzed and tested on TradingView. Let's add to the indicators tab, click on it, and the first indicator you will need to search for is the Williams Alligator. And you can pick this one from TradingView. It is free to use. Next, let's type exponential moving average and let's pick this one, also provided by TradingView. And that's it. According to the strategy suggested by my subscriber, we only need to use these two indicators. The Williams Alligator is an indicator formed by three smoothed moving averages, each representing a different time period. We have this blue one called jaw with a period of 13, this red one called teeth with a period of 8, and this green one called lips with a period of 5. There are some different ways to use this indicator, but for today's strategy, this indicator will be the one that tells us when to take a position. When the lips line, which is the green one, crosses above the teeth and the jaw, it is considered a long signal, while a short signal happens when the lips crosses below the teeth and the jaw lines. But we won't take every signal from this indicator, because the exponential moving average will help us identify the long-term trend on the market, and in that way we'll filter a lot of fake signals. First, let's add to its settings and change the length to 200. And now, for a valid long signal from the Williams indicator, the price will need to be above the three lines of the alligator and also above the 200 exponential moving average. And for a valid short signal, the price will need to be below the three lines of the alligator and also below the 200 exponential moving average. Simple as that. For the risk management, I will follow the exact rules of my subscriber, and so I will use the ATR indicator to place the stop losses, and the take profits will always be on the 1 to 1.5 risk reward zone. Regarding the stop losses, as you can see, my subscriber asked me to use the formula 2 times the ATR pip value to calculate them. But you can use this indicator called ATR bands to know where to insert your stop losses all the time without needing to calculate this formula. Just go to its settings, change the ATR multipliers to 2 and the colors to red, and now you know exactly where to place the stop losses. Before jumping to the backtest, I will show you 2 trade examples. Here on the Euro USD chart, you can see that the lips line from the alligator crossed above the jaw and teeth lines at this candle, and the closing price was above the three lines from this indicator and also above the 200 exponential moving average, so this was a valid long trade. You would enter at the closing of the signal candle with the stop loss on the lower ATR band and the take profit on the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio zone, so about here. And in a short period, this trade will be a profitable one. In this second example, you can see that the lips line from the alligator crossed below the jaw and teeth lines, and at the moment of the signal, the closing price was below the three lines from this indicator and also below the 200 exponential moving average, and so this was a valid short trade. You would enter at the closing of the signal candle with the stop loss on the upper ATR band and the take profit again on the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio zone, and again this would be another profitable trade. But this doesn't mean this strategy is profitable at all. We need to perform a big backtest to discover that. And so, let's jump to that part of the video. Here I have a new trading journal that I will use to study the statistics of this alligator strategy, and as you can see, I already inserted all the trading conditions asked by my subscriber. I will perform the backtest on the 30-minute time frame from these 6 Forex pairs using the data sample from 2022 and 2023. And only considering the London trading session. The initial capital will be $1,000 with a 2% risk per trade without compounding the potential profits. I will insert every trade on this Excel to discover every statistic and ratio about this strategy and also to see what the equity chart looks like. And although this backtest seems to be a big one that probably will take you some months to perform manually, I will do it in the faster and most efficient way possible by coding this strategy in a new trading bot with these exact trading rules. I will do it and I will be right back. The code is ready and my trading bot is all set. As you can see, it respects all the rules of this strategy, including the data range and the trading sessions, and enters and exits from every trade in seconds and with high precision, and it also displays every trade on the chart with the respective stop loss and take profit. And here on its menu, I can customize every single detail to optimize it and also scale my profits. If you'd like to get access to this trading tool, stay tuned until the end of the video, because now I will jump to the backtest. I will apply this trading bot on the exact Forex pairs my subscriber asked me, and I will download all the trades it performs to add them to my Excel. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. And here we have the results of this alligator strategy from the backtest I have just performed. After analyzing almost 1,300 trades, we can see that in these conditions, the win rate of this strategy was about 43.14% and it had a net profit of 235%, or an average of a monthly profit of 10%. It had a profit factor of 1.16, an average drawdown of 18% and a Sharpe ratio of 2.1. By looking at the equity chart, we can see that it was fairly consistent but had a big drawdown here, which indicates that although it was a profitable strategy, it needs some more optimizations. Here is what I think you should do to increase its efficiency. First, you can use a more diverse portfolio of assets since you are too exposed to the USD currency. You can use other currency pairs or even other assets from other markets. Second, you can add some good volume indicator like the ADX or the choppiness index to filter some bad signals that appear in moments when the market is trading sideways. And third, you can try to use a profit scaling system to increase your potential profits by using a trailing stop loss, for example. And in addition, you should also apply the strategy to other time frames to ensure that it maintains its consistency and efficiency. If you'd like to apply these tips I have just pointed out, you can use this trading bot with the alligator system I created, where I have inserted some additional filter indicators like the ADX and also the untrend price TPO that will increase the win rate of this system. Furthermore, with this trading bot, you can also apply an automatic trailing stop loss system to your trades, and I guarantee that your net profits will increase, as you can see on my charts. To discover the real statistics of each asset, you just need to click on them and the bot will apply the trading strategy in seconds, and the same goes for the time frames. You can watch this video on my channel to see how the bot works, and you can have access to it and many others with different trading strategies by becoming a member of my Patreon starting at just $4. All the links, both to access my Patreon and to find out what bots I have available at the moment, are in the description. Besides that, I can also give you the opportunity to work one-on-one with me, whether to create your personal trading strategy, conduct professional statistical studies and robustness tests for your strategy, or even if you'd like to have a meeting with me so I can help you in your personal needs. All that information is on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be well, thank you and bye bye.